We got the Xbox Series X core controller. So I'm gonna go do a quick unboxing of it, show you what's inside it. Now that that's cut out, I'm going to flip it over. Rotate it over like that. I don't know why the battery just came out like that, but at least it came with batteries. You can see I have the controller right here. Inside the box gives you a QR code on the setup. This is something that you can set up on the PC or the Xbox Series X. As you can see, Xbox Series X, PC. And that's all they included in here, really. And it's a very light controller. It has good haptic feedback, good controls. It has textured triggers, good feedback on the buttons, and of course it's just a battery powered, but you can replace this, which I will do later. And it's very simple. Now all you have to do is just open up this battery pack, put it inside, and you can use it right away. Now I have an old Xbox controller. You can see the difference here, where, well, of course here I put on a sticker which gives it grip. But you can see the layout difference. This one has a shared button and this one does not. The color difference is slightly different. This one is a USB-C as well. This one is not a USB-C. And the controller triggers are not textured, they're just glossy. Even until here. The button layouts are the same. I don't have any feedback, but it feels like this controller is lighter. So yeah, I'm going to test this out for a bit, and it's very simple to unbox. It's pretty quick. And honestly, yeah, it's a solid controller for driving games. I think this is way better because the controller trigger profile feels much lighter. You look slightly different on the controller profile for the trigger. It feels more protruded and different shape too, if you can see that. But yeah, very simple, very easy unboxing. So if you're planning on getting it, that's what you do.